Hello everybody, and finally welcome back to another video. So I got back into nails, and my friend is just getting into nails, and she wanted me to show her the process of doing a hand-drawn painted design on a nail, or whatever you use, a brush or a dotting tool. She wanted to know the process. So first of all, of course, you'll be using nail tips, so have all your supplies out so you won't have to look for anything. Also, do not have any open gels near your lamp. So I'm going to be using a swatch stick. It's just easier for me to hold. And the first thing I always do is brush the shine off the nail tip or whatever. If you're using your nails, just brush the shine off your nails. It's quick, fast, and easy. Okay, then the next step is to apply your base coat. I'm just using this one. And normally I do in between 1 and 2 coats of base gel. I don't know, for some reason I like, if the nails are flimsy, I like to use 2 coats of base gel. But a normal everyday thing, it's just a 1 coat, really nice and evenly, not too thick, not too thin. Make sure you close your gel, and I cure it for 60 seconds, and I always do a 2-time cure. And once you have cured your base gel, it is going to be a bit tacky. Just don't touch it. Next, you're going to go with your base color. I'm just going to use this one. Also, same way, not too thick, not too thin, just a nice even coat. And this is kind of light, so if I was going to be doing my nails with this, I would do 2 coats, but because this is just for practice, I'm only going to do 1. Make sure I close up the bottom, stick it in the lamp, 60 seconds twice. Okay, next step, take whatever color. Some people use a nail art plate. I just use this because it's handy. And take whatever colors that you're going to use and just put it in here. And this is for your nail art. I'm just going to do some stripies, something quick and easy. Something I used to do a long time ago. Make sure you close your bottles. I'm also going to add some glitter. I'm going to show you the bottles in a sec if you're interested. If you're interested in any of these links, just ask me in the comment and I will send you the links. But I'm going to be using black, by Kenny, a light pink, and then a glitter by Jelly. And also, you're going to need a brush. I prefer long ones. So basically, you just dip your brush in and saturate it, but you want to do like a twisting motion to load your brush. Oops, I got a string in that one. To load the brush, and let's see what I want to do. I'm just going to do some easy stripes. Nothing too complicated. You're welcome to double coat, but I don't double coat unless it's like you can see, which this black is not that 1 coat black, so I might have to double coat this. And I'm not even trying to make these straight and symmetrical. I'm just doing something. It's the perfect time to do these kind of stripes because it reminds me of candy cane stripes. Okay, so next I'm going to clean my brush. That's why I have everything handy here, so I have to wait and look for something. Stop what you're doing. And then we're gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with my next color, and then I'm gonna cure, and then lastly I'm gonna do glitter. This is a light pink. I wanted these to be thin, but it didn't come out like that. But it's still okay. Like I said, it's just something quick and easy to do. You can do it in whatever color choice you want. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brush up again. And then I'm gonna cure it 60, and then I'll be back to finish it up. We're back. So now the last thing, I'm just gonna add some glitter on the edge of the black line. I'm gonna bring this back, roll my brush around again, like right on the edge of the black. And I'm using a clear base glitter. Okay, sorry, I'm out of camera. Trying to pick up chunks of glitter. Okay, and then one more. Of course, you will make it cute and symmetrical, but again, I'm just throwing it on here. You're gonna move everything out of the way, put this back in your lamp, cure for 60, and I'll be right back. And now for the last step, you wanna take your white, put some alcohol on it. Most polishes do not have a tacky layer, but before I put my top coat, I just like to clean it, just in case something didn't get cured or any leftover gel under the bottom before I put on the top coat. So I'm just gonna be using this top coat, same brand as the base. Oh, crap. Okay. And then you can add, after you're done with this step, you can add your gems, or you can add your rhinestones before you get to the last step. But I'm not doing any, so I'm gonna just do this at the end. Make sure it's not pulling on the side, so I just wipe it to make sure it's not pulling on the side, and then make sure you cap your free edge, close your lid. I didn't cure so many bottles of polish because I don't close it before I put it in the lip. We're gonna last step cure it, and I'll be right back. Use a no wipe top coat, and it is not sticky. It's nice and shiny and silky. You can't even feel the texture. But yeah, it's a super cute, super simple nail art tutorial. So I also was practicing on another technique. It's called a milk bath nail, and if you guys want to see this tutorial next, comment down below. I want to see this. And Pam, I hope this helped you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.